Hello everyone, I'm Matteo Bevilacqua and I'm really happy and honored to take part in this international piano competition. After 2 years of postponements caused by the pandemic, and despite this 2022 is proceeding not in the best way, the task of us artists is to produce and give beauty to people all over the world. For my semi-final round, I chose a varied and colorful program, suitable either for a piano competition and for a recital, while for my final round I chose a piano concert that fits and reflects my piano and artistic qualities. I'm also thrilled to have opportunity to perform with Friuli Venezia Giulia Symphonic Orchestra.